Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 2 of the Dollar General clearance event, and this is all of our beauty items that will be included. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so just in case anybody is new here and this is the first clearance event video that you are watching, we do have a Dollar General clearance event and it will start on Friday, March the 3rd and run through Sunday, March the 5th. And I have already uploaded a couple of videos that will be very helpful for you guys to check out, so I'm going to have those linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, speaking of the pinned comment, that is going to be your best friend while preparing for this Dollar General clearance event, because I will be uploading more videos throughout the week with more categories, more coupon matchups, and all of the good things. So definitely make sure that y'all check out the pinned comment underneath each and every video, because I don't want y'all to miss out on any information, and I will be uploading multiple videos each day, and sometimes when I do that, YouTube will not send out notifications for all of the videos. So definitely make sure that you check out the pinned comment. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into our beauty category. Now, there are an absolute ton of beauty items included. A lot of nail polishes, fake nails. We've got eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, you name it. It is in this category. So we have a ton of awesome deals to check out. So I'm going to turn on a little music and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we have made it to the end of part 2, and I really hope that you all are enjoying these videos. If you could, do me a huge favor. I've put in a lot of time into making these videos, so please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile or a comment down in the comment section below, because those really do help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.